Well, I wanted to show you a harp that I worked on that I think really came out awfully well. It's a CX-12 Gold, not the Jazz. And what I did to it was to take that top surface of the comb and flatten it. And that makes it quite a bit more airtight. And then I lapped the slide. The slide got lapped into the top and the lower plastic, which, given the current design of this instrument, works really well. So it's completely airtight. And then it had a Kettlewell Frictionless mouthpiece made for it. And the purpose of this is friction-free and easy movement to new note hole positions, and also provides for a relaxed embouchure. You don't do this, you just play like that. And it also keeps the harp cleaner because there's no saliva. But for whatever reason, this particular one really turned out well. I thought I'd play it a little bit for you, and you can just hear how sensitive it is and how dead airtight. Anyway, I would play this harp. I think it's quite nice. It just ended up really great. And because the slide is in there so securely, you don't get that click noise. You know, without getting a bigger slide, without whatever, just no problem. I was very, very pleased with this. We'll play along with some music too, why not? But again, you just never know when you're working on an instrument, what you're going to have when it's all done, and whether you're going to be, happy or you're not. You know what I mean? It can go a lot of different ways. We'll do Smile. I always love to play along with toots. Let me go adjust my stereo real quick. I would say for a really sweet round tone and ease of play, that's 100%. Just happy with it.